Today I am taking you with me to the Grand Bazaar here in Istanbul, Turkey. And we're gonna take a quick look inside and what it looks like, and then I'm also gonna grab some food, but mostly do like a walkthrough of the city, some parts of the city, and just around Grand Bazaar. But first look at this cat.
Yeah. Yep. Hi. Oh. Oh, little baby. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Hi. Oh. Oh, he's so cute. I can't with this. I'm taking him home.
If I had a chance to go back and take that cat right now, I would take it. That cat is a good cat. That cat will stay loyal and come and give you attention. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of knockoff stuff, which you will see more once we get inside. At the entrance for the Grand Bazaar, there's these metal detector, which I think is good. It's for safety. Camera up there. I don't know if it's working, but maybe scare away some thieves. We're here during COVID time, so there's not a whole lot of people. That means all the workers are giving you the attention. So it was a little bit hard to film because once I start to film something more detailed, then all the people who work there, they would jump on me and they're like, buy this, buy this, buy this, come, buy this. But I think when it's more touristy, like before COVID, there were so many people in here, and I'm honestly not sure how the workers keep up with it and not notice if anyone steals anything. So I think it's very easy to steal stuff here when there's a big touristy crowd. Most of the stores here are very similar, just over and over again. Jewelry, spices, and designer stuff. You'll find a lot of like scarves. When they offer you something to try, like a Turkish delight, no, don't take it. It's a trap. Run. Unless you are planning to buy something, because once you try it, they will invite you in. They will make you try more stuff, and then you have to buy something. And I'm not saying don't buy stuff here. Do buy stuff here if you want. But I'm just letting you know everything here costs more than outside, because obviously they have to pay a rent for the shop they rent. Very, very nice inside. A lot of construction, but it's only in some parts. But if you notice, it's a lot of the same things over and over again. Here's the thing. A lot of these souvenirs are from China. So they're like made in China stuff. It is not really worth the price they're asking for here at the Grand Bazaar. But I really like these traditional scarves and hats. I think that's a lot better to look at than the knockoff Chanel bags. Really, really cute outside. I love how everything is so close together and kind of chaotic. It's just a vibe, a different vibe, especially if you're from America. This is not the usual streets you see, so I'm very intrigued about everything here. Food here is cheap for us, cheap, but right outside it's for tourists. Walking, I found this cute restaurant. It's hidden behind this suitcase store. Super weird, but it was such a good find. It's super cheap. Here's that salsa kind of thing that you've seen in my previous videos. It's spicy, and then chai, of course, had to. And I ordered the Adana kebab. This is it. And my mom got the grilled liver. Very delicious. Never had grilled liver. So the total was 80 liras. At the time, 7 liras was $1, so this was about $11 plus tip at the end.